In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple new Möbius users in bulk using the Import Users from Roster option that's found on the class homepage. Since we're doing this from the class homepage, this allows you to simultaneously create new user accounts and enroll them into a class. If you want to create and enroll one or two new users, you can use this method, but it might be easier with the Add User option to create the user and then separately enroll them into your class. Check out those help topics and video guides for those instructions. Note that in order to create new users, your system role needs to have the user creation privilege. This method requires you to have a user roster file prepared ahead of time that contains users that don't yet have Möbius accounts. Your user roster file might look something like this. This can be a text file with the .txt file extension, or a comma-separated value file with this .csv file extension. Check out the Work with a User Roster File help topic and video guide for more details on working with these file types. To create and enroll multiple users simultaneously from the class homepage, click the Class User Manager menu on the class homepage and select Import Users from Roster. You're then navigated to the Roster Upload page where you can select your user roster file that you want to upload. Select whether or not you want the new users that you're about to create to be notified by email with their Möbius login credentials. It's recommended to enable this setting with this method. Next, select the type of file that you'll be uploading. It can either be a comma-separated or tab-separated CSV or text file. You'll then click the Choose File button and navigate on your computer to where your user roster file is saved. Click to open the file and it will appear listed beside the Choose File button. When you click Submit, you'll be given a preview of the new profiles that are about to be created or updated if you're using this method to update existing user profiles. Clicking the Upload Roster button confirms the user roster file submission, and the new profiles are shown on the confirmation screen. The users are also simultaneously enrolled into the class you used to perform the user roster upload. You'll notice that the password field here is blank on the confirmation page when you use this method, even if the passwords were defined in the user roster file. From here, you can just navigate elsewhere, or you can click Return to perform a user search, or you can click Create CSV to create a CSV record of the profiles that you just created. And that's how you can create and enroll multiple new users in bulk from the class homepage. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Want to see what else you can do in Möbius? Be sure to check out the links to the Möbius online help in the video description, as well as our other Möbius video guides. Subscribe to the DigitalEd channel to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And don't forget to hit that like button.